to solve page number 11 from Vikas NavNeet class 3. As you can see, there is some drawing is given. We have to make cutout from that papers. Then we are able to stick there. Now for this we required 4 papers, square papers. Size is like 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter. Now fold it in half, all these 4 square paper like this. Press it properly. As you can see on that page, we have given a 4 diagram, but when you observe that it is an half diagram, not full. When you cutting that one part, automatically we have cutted the next one and half portion. Okay. Now we have complete of folds. Now I am going to trace this drawing. It is very simple to draw. This is shape of house. As you can observe there, we have to draw some lines and cut it with scissor. Now follow this technique to all remaining parts. For the design, when you observe that one curved line also there, when you make it cut out from there, we are able to identify. Scissor, I am going to cut this outline. Those we draw with the help of pencil. Cut it properly. When you using such type of tool like cutter, scissor, be carefully when you using that. Cut it like this way. Now I am going to cut all remaining 3 shapes. Cutting all shapes,